Good morning, students. Welcome back. So, we are doing a revision of second terminal. Yesterday, you must have received the questions of no sooner than and as soon as. And today, we will be discussing the solutions of the same. Now, you're already aware about the general rule, students, that when we begin the sentence with the negative word no sooner, what we do, we put the auxiliary verb before the subject. Let's look at its structure. Like first, we will add no sooner. Then we will have do, does, or did depending on the verb given in the question. Then we will have our subject. Then V1 verb will be converted into V1 present form. V1 form. And then we will add the compulsory word then. And then we will have our next action. Then when we begin the sentence, if like with as soon as word, then we have to remove the auxiliary verb do, does, or did. Okay, in no sooner we add, here in as soon as we remove, and then we add our v1 depending on the verb given in the question, v1 or v2. Okay, so clear, students? And then we will have our next action. When we will solve the first, we will come to know it more better. So let's take the first example. He took the coin and turned onto the road. Now you can see I've underlined the word took because that's our first action. Okay, and took is in the past form, students. So when we are doing it like no sooner, right, when we are changing it into no sooner, what we will do, we will add the auxiliary verb. Now here took is past form, so we have added did in the answer. Then took becomes take, we won the coin back, and then we've added the compulsory word then, THAN, not THEN. Okay, you need to remember that. And then the next action, he turned onto the road. Okay, so no sooner did he take the coin back than he turned onto the road. When we want to convert the same sentence into as soon as, students, we will remove here the auxiliary verb. So you can see I've removed the word did. Okay, so as soon as he, and take will again take its original form, took. Okay, so we too. We remove the word did, so obviously the verb will go again in the past tense. He took the coin back. And then I've replaced the word then with the comma. You can see. And then the next action. So as soon as he took the coin back, comma, he turned onto the road. Understood, student? The same will apply in all the sentences. We'll take one example of present tense also, so you're more clear. That was a past tense example. Now let's take present tense example. When the train arrives, the passengers will get in. Now here you can see arrives is the present tense verb with the letter S or ES. So what we will do, students, when we are changing it into no sooner, that is negative, we'll add does because it's in SES. The verb is in the form of SES. So we have added does. The train arrives become V1 arrive. Then I've added compulsory word then, and then the next action, the passengers will get in. No sooner does the train arrive than the passengers will get in. Students, understood? When we want to change it into as soon as, what we will do, we will remove the auxiliary verb does, and arrive will again become arrives. Verb in the present form with the letter S or ES. Same as in the question. As soon as the train arrives, and you can see I've replaced the word then with the comma. As soon as the train arrives, comma, the passengers will get in, full stop. Okay, great. Let's look at the next one. So now you're clear with the present tense and with the past tense also. Now we'll go little quickly. He filled a paper bag with hot jalebis and handed them over. So no sooner, filled is in the past tense, so we've added did. He, filled will become fill. A paper bag with hot jalebis, then you add the word then. Then the next action, he handed them over. As soon as, remove the word did. Fill will become filled. Past tense V2. The paper bag with hot jalebis. Replace then with comma. And then the next action, he handed them over. Great. Let's look at the next one. When I calmed down, he pointed to take off board. Now here, no sooner did he point. Pointed is in the past tense, students, so we have added did. Pointed become point. No sooner did he point the take off board, then I calmed down. Okay, first he did that, then I calmed down. Okay, so you can see the next action is in the first action. Then when you want to change it into as soon as, so again we have removed the word did, auxiliary verb, point becomes pointed, and then is replaced by comma. So as soon as he pointed the takeoff board, comma, I calmed down. Let's look at the next one. When I got up to leave, comma, we both knew that a real friendship had been formed. Now here got is in the past tense, so we have added did and got became get. So no sooner did I get up to leave, then is the compulsory word, and then the next action, we both knew that the real friendship had been formed. Then you convert the sentence into as soon as. We've removed the word did, auxiliary verb, okay, and then get becomes again got, up to leave, comma, replaced then with comma. Then the next action, so as soon as I got up to leave, comma, we both knew that a real friendship had been formed. Let's look at the next one. She was laughing, he fell on the floor. Now, no sooner did he fall on the, now you can see second, see in the question, next letter action is the action that happened first. He fell on the floor, that's why she laughed, right? Not she laughed, that's why because that's why he fell on the floor. So here we will take fell, we will underline the word fell because that action happened first. Okay, so no sooner did he, fell is the in the past tense, so we have added did. No sooner did he fall, fell will become fall on the floor. THAN is the compulsory word, and then the next action, she was laughing. When you want to convert it into as soon as, we'll remove the auxiliary verb did, fall will become fell. Okay, so as soon as he fell on the floor, then we'll change into comma, she was laughing. Great, let's look at the next one. When the bell rings, the students rush out of the class. No sooner does, rings is in the present form with the letter S, so we'll add does, auxiliary verb, and rings will become ring. So no sooner does the bell ring, comma is replaced with then, because next action will begin from here. So then, THAN, the students rush out of the class. Convert it into as soon as, we'll remove the word auxiliary verb does, ring will become rings. So as soon as the bell rings, comma, then is replaced with comma, the students rush out of the class. Later half will not change, latter half, sorry. Okay, next sentence, next action won't change. The moment he came home, comma, he switched on the television. No sooner, came is in the past tense, so we have added did, and came will become come. So no sooner did he come home, then the next action, he switched on the television. When you convert it into as soon as, we've removed the word did, auxiliary verb, okay, and come will again become came. No, as soon as he came home, he switched on the television. Okay, students. Now, next one. As he drifted off to sleep, he pictured guardian angels hovering over him. Now, drifted is in the past tense, so again, we'll have did, okay, as an auxiliary verb. Drifted will become drift. So, no sooner did he drift off to sleep, then he pictured guardian angels hovering over him. When you want to change it into as soon as, remove the auxiliary verb did, drift will become drifted. As soon as he drifted off to sleep, comma, he pictured guardian angels hovering over him. Last but not the least, she read the telegram, she fainted at once. Now you can see, students, here you will be seeing that no sooner, as soon as, everywhere READ is same. Okay, because see in this word READ, read, the pronunciation differs, but the spelling remains same. So in the first, she read the telegram. I'm pronouncing it as read because it is in the past tense. She read the telegram. She fainted at once. Means first she read, that says that it's in the past tense, and then she fainted. Okay. So no sooner. Now read will become will add did because it is in the past tense, and now we will read it as read, not read. Okay, so no sooner did she read the telegram then she fainted at once. When you change it into as soon as, we'll remove the auxiliary verb did, and read will again become past tense V2 form. Read will pronounce it as read. As soon as she read the telegram, she fainted at once. Understood, student? It's very easy. Okay, so hope you are clear with the answers and you'll do your best. I hope you have got all correct. Be ready for the next video, next presentation. Okay, till then practice and have a very good day. Take care.